I want to find the integral of 2x times sine of x over cosine cubed. I'm going to rewrite this as 2x sine x over cosine x times 1 over cosine squared. So what I did here was I took the cosine cubed and split it up into cosine times cosine squared. Okay, so then sine over cosine will be tangent, and then 1 over cosine squared is secant squared. Right now there's three functions. There's 2x, tangent x, and secant squared. So I'm going to have to use integration by parts. And for u, the way I should choose this is to see, okay, well, the derivative of tangent is secant squared. So I know u better include tangent. But that leaves 2x. So let's attach the 2x with the tangent. So du would be 2 tangent x plus 2x times secant squared. So dv is the remaining, which is secant squared. And then the antiderivative is just tangent x. So now we multiply u and v, so we get 2x tangent squared minus integral v du So at this point, I'm going to split up this integral into two integrals. And keep in mind this negative is going to distribute over here, so it'll be minus the second integral. And we should keep in mind that this is equivalent to the original problem, which we said was integral 2x tangent x secant squared. So that was after we did some trig substitution, or trig identities. So now this is the same thing. So I'm going to add this. So I'm going to add this to the right. So I have 2 times integral 2x tangent x secant squared x dx is equal to 2x tangent squared minus integral, I can just pull out the 2, tangent squared x dx. I can cancel out each of these 2's. And tangent squared, well, I know that tangent squared plus 1 is secant squared. So tangent squared is secant squared minus 1. So I'm going to have the negative outside. The antiderivative of secant squared is tangent x. Antiderivative of negative 1 is negative x plus c. And so the final answer is x times tangent squared x minus tangent x plus c.